Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. They've got for you Ducati Supersport S. This is the top of the range model with the full Ohlins suspension front and back. And this one's got the twin Akrapovic pipes on, which are quite rare. Not many of these have them on the market. Absolutely lovely. In this matte white, there's a couple of nice little parts on it. Sort of Rizoma alloy brake reservoir, Rizoma bar ends. They come with ABS traction, Ohlins. Lovely, lovely bike. LED light, as you can see at the front. They come with Quickshifter, traction, ABS. It's a fantastic bike. Up and down Quickshifter as well, so you've got a blipper, got a seat cowl on there. It's absolutely spotless. 2018 on an 18 plate, only done 955 miles. Super, super nice. So 955 miles you can see there. Traction, ABS, Quickshifter up and down. Really is a cool bike. We'll give it a start for you. So yeah, proper sports touring bike this. So if you want something a little bit different with a proper Ducati badge on it and some plush suspension, this is the bike for you. Absolute bargain they are. So come on down to Jordan Bikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.